guess what? Guess how many people have entered the giveaway? 3. What the heck? Oh. What? I can't. I actually have. If you didn't know, I didn't record this, but if you didn't know, me and my brother share a really good time. You do remember my blue long, right? Well, guess what? I traded it. This is an extreme overtrade. I am serious. Extreme overtrade.
Memories are made with an Napoleon gourmet cream.
Yeah, okay, the most wanted item okay, shut up. Forgotten that. I like the music, but then the noise it makes. Okay, that's why I needed, so like 3 more subscribers and the thing will be done, and guess how many people entered? It's over. You didn't know, this person's trying, I was scared she was trying to scam me. Yeah, you don't know what scamming is. Scamming? Speak means that they will trick you saying, oh, I have done this all the time with my friends. Oh, I have done this all the time with my friends. Like, say you get, a good trade, and it's like a whole list of items, I don't know. I can't put stuff in the chat now. If you didn't know, I actually do have to monetize a little thing that can actually get money on it while people watch your video. No, I was just wondering what the heck it did. Don't start doing it. I was just wondering what it did, because I'm new to YouTube. I'm a little new to YouTube, so. But yes, I use Screencast-O-Matics. Screencast-O-Matics is a good starter if you need it. If you're new to recording onto YouTube, once you press, there's a little done button, and then you can turn off and on the microphone. So if you feel like you don't want to talk today, turn off the microphone, and you can talk to anyone you want who's like in the room, and nobody will hear you. Screencast-O-Matics is like free. You can search it up. I use Screencast-O-Matics. It's really easy. This way I don't have to show my face. It's really bad. I remember one time I used to do a YouTube channel, but I forgot the password and I was over. So this is the YouTube channel I'm using. So if you have ever watched one of those videos and you're like, hey, how come she hasn't used any of her Animal Jam videos lately, or this channel lately, because I use Screencast. Yay, lucky flower! I like lucky flower. If you didn't know, I do. I really do. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is if you didn't know, the Forgotten Desert actually gets you member betas, like spikes. If you want a spike folder, come to the Forgotten Desert. People have scrambled to the Forgotten Desert. I just wonder. I only do in Valentine's fin mail. Also, if you want longer fin mails, you should probably please give me more items if you want longer fin mail. The more gifts, the longer the fin mail. I already made parts of it. The reason why I do it now is because I kind of want, like, the reason why I tried going on a cruise ship party was, I just wanted to do something cool. Like, in real life, if you were sitting on the edge of well, you would normally be left alone. Someone to fall. Unless they're extremely rude and semi-murderous. Yes, murderous. You push somebody off a boat. It's murderous. To be murderous. Murder. Ew. You don't have to smack the door like that. Caleb! I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Oh, my fucking ball. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Nancy. He's my kitty. Small girl. Hi, Nancy. You wanna be in a video? Yay! A rare Arctic hood. That'll go in the giveaway. If you want a rare Arctic hood, this is gonna go in the giveaway. And a rare Arctic hood, like, if you don't have a non-rare Arctic hood, you've seen people with non-rare Arctic hood, the rare Arctic hoods, if you don't have it, like, say you wanted all of the dream items in Arctic hoods anytime. Say you don't have an eagle and you're really sad because you have to wait for the pain. If a few more weeks for your eagle, you can enter my giveaway, and it's probably gonna go away fast to you. What? I truly want that color ice neck. If you want to join the play like then, no, sorry, not right now. I'm thinking, seriously, I'm gonna go to a Daniel Cup. This is, we were arguing for over an hour. I was gonna make a video of me trading my spike collar, but apparently it took like we were both arguing for an hour. I was like, please end now. My favorite collar. Red, rhino, please. He still has the red short, by the way. I don't know. It's SSD. He still has the red short. Guys, this is a fair trade. Please tell me. I will waste your and I don't want to get undertraded. No video. BRB. Anyway, I don't like the Elite Party. They only took 3 spikes. Oh crap. Into a concern. My Dan Pokemon Planet. Oh, I actually like Pokemon, so if you're a Pokemon lover, you can help. Like, I know some Pokemon, I don't know all of them. I haven't only played like the old school version, so if you're an old school player, then I'm glad to help. I know there's actually this cool site called PlayR where you can play Pokemon for free. Yep, for free. No downloads, no money. You don't need money. Nothing. All you need is a computer, and that'll be it. Trust me. Report mom. She has an extra case card. Scammers would say trust trade me. I don't like that, so we will trade me fair for my neon bow. If you didn't know, neon bows are actually worth a long spike collar. So I'm gonna do the forgotten dancer once again. I'm sorry, but keep thinking I'm trying to get a different collar. Sorry. Sophie, what for your long rest? What's your off? Oh, you're off last night. What for your long rest? Wow, this is a pretty big number. I actually have a friend. Oh yeah, if you don't believe me, this is not paste and copy, by the way. Oh man, she's off my list too. Her username is, what is your username? By Nash. Fluffy by Nash. Yeah, a bunch of very long spike collars. If you have a, look, people like, starters have an insane amount of subscribers. I only have 7. But I don't. Also, if you didn't know, my friend Legend Master has gotten a Tiki Mask, a Beta Arctic Hood, 2 non-rare pigtails for his circle, and a non-rare pigtails for his the Black Horn. You might be like, well, this person is insane crazy. I won't trade with that person, but he didn't say the username by the way, so don't ask me what the heck the username is, because I don't know. I have $13 now. Anyway, who has longer wrists than long collar? The hat. What? I don't know what my list is for. maybe a short collar. I think either it's a long wristband. Oh, sweet. Oh. I want green with. My cat's crazy. Trade for your spikes. I don't know what, by the way. I want to trade. I don't know. I don't know if it's a fair trade. I don't know what trade. Last time she put like a mech. By the way, do you still have the mech? Have the ice mech? Ice mech got the dot. I'm sorry, but I can't call. No, call me. I want an ice mech. Are you serious? Every time we trade, she says she has to go. Then why not? Then why not go? Then come back and then trade. Oh, dumb, silly. I'm sorry, but that's dumb. I need to things cannot click. Okay, so that'll be the end of this video. I'm sorry. This is really. I forgot to say. Mira and Mac on trade. Oh, I need my mirror statue. If you ever send me a mirror statue, I will possibly send you. I'll send you something really good back. Something worth it. Okay, sorry. Thank you. There. If you said bless you, thank you. But if you didn't, no thank you. I'm very sorry. I'm really sneezy because I had allergies. Holy cow! Never mind that guy. That's probably like one of the rarest jammers ever. Yes, the other guy did have 2 founders. He had 2 neon. Whoa. Wonderful color. You have a spike color. Your spike color. And add. Then you trust trade parties. I hate trust trade parties. Never go to one. You're gonna get scammed. Other people are gonna scam you, and you're probably gonna scam. Oh, what if someone said black long for your headdress and maybe a spike? Maybe spike in it. My RP is really sticky. There's spike and add. What if she starts gonna be black long? What? Black long tree. Oh yes. So I'm gonna go right now. Goodbye.